Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort to show you a 3-bedroom grand villa. It's going to be so exciting because there are lots of little details we cannot wait to show you. Now this room does sleep up to 12 adults officially, however there are beds for up to 13, which we found really interesting, so that's really cool.
Yeah, and all of these grand villas are up on the second floor, so keep that in mind. You got 2 flights of stairs to go up. They do have beautiful views of the resort or the creek out there, so really awesome views from the room, but you do have to go up the stairs to get there. Now, if you need an accessible grand villa, those are not available in this current layout. What they do for those is they put together several rooms in the main building that are studios and 1-bedrooms to make that villa for you that's large enough to sleep 12 people, and you'll have elevator access there. So a little bit different if you're booking accessible, so something to be aware of.
Let's go check out the room.
As you can see from the stairs on the right, this is a 2-story grand villa. Straight ahead of us we have the living room, and we will come back to that in just a minute. Over on the left we have the master bedroom and bathroom, as well as a bonus bathroom that really comes in handy, especially if you have the extra guests in here sleeping in the living room area. We've got a pedestal sink in here with a small shelf up above it, as well as the mirror and the light there. We have the toilet, of course, and a walk-in shower. It's not the biggest walk-in shower, but it's not too small. You can see there's a decent amount of space in there. You do have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here, as well as the rest of the bathrooms. Now, straight across from this bathroom, we have a little seating area with a coat rack and some fishing decor. But the bench down here, we've got to stop and take a look at this because they have carved Mickey and Minnie's names into a heart, as well as the initials WD for Walt Disney, of course, there on the bench. Fun little details in the room. Now, in the master bedroom, we do have a king-size bed. You can see above the bed we have little shadow boxes with carved wooden birds in them. Really pretty decor there. And then on each side of the bed, we also have a nightstand with a lamp that looks kind of like a tree. There are no USB outlets or wall outlets built into the nightstand, so that's worth noting. There are also none built into the dresser across the room here, with the dresser and the TV there. We have a small bench with some storage underneath the mirror there. And we have a big chair in the corner that's quite comfortable, and a lamp. And if we head out this door, we do have a private balcony for the master bedroom. You've got a couple rocking chairs and a small little end table there outside on the balcony. It's a good sized balcony for the room, and a great view of kind of the courtyard inner area of the resort here. Now, the master bathroom, you can see, has a pass-through window there by the tub. It is a big jetted tub here in the master bathroom, and up above that tub we have a painting. Just a really calm, relaxing evening there on the balcony in that painting. Looks a lot like it does if you go over to the buildings on the far side of the property by the creek. Over in the corner we have a very large single vanity there with some cabinets down underneath for storage. Things like your hair dryer and stuff are in there, of course. And then behind me we have a closet. Inside this closet is where you're going to find your in-room safe down there on the wall. You'll also have, of course, a closet rod with some hangers and your extra pillows and blankets for use on the pull-out beds in the living room. And then through this door we have the shower and the toilet in here. And the shower is a walk-in shower, a little larger than the one in that other bathroom. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash again. And then the shower head is just a single fixed shower head up there. But a little more space in here than the other shower for sure. We'll head on into the living room, kitchen, and dining room areas. Here in the living room, you can see it is a beautiful living room with lots of places to sit. This chair over here on the left does pull out into a twin-size bed, and that is where you get your 13th bedding here in the room. You have a chair, an ottoman over there. You have another matching chair on this side, and then this couch pulls out into a queen-size bed. The trunk here is not actually a trunk. It's just a coffee table on wheels. It doesn't open up, but it's nice here in the room, fitting with the theming. The fireplace here is a real working fireplace. There is no wood in it right now, but if you call the front desk, they are happy to bring plenty of wood down here for you to burn in the fireplace, so you can actually have a real fire going while you're staying here in the Grand Villa, which is really cool. The TV over here has a small entertainment center underneath it, and you do have a Blu-ray player on there hooked up to the TV as well. We've got some pictures on the wall of just some random people vacationing, again giving a feel of kind of being at your family's lake house or visiting a cabin somewhere. We have a lamp on the table there with some little birds carved into it. Really pretty lamp there. And then heading into the kitchen and dining room, we've got a picture on the wall. At first we thought this might be Shadow, who is the mascot here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, but it is not. It is Scupper and the pups. But we did find a small hidden Mickey here. If you look closely at the collar, you can see it's a hidden Mickey. We just can't quite see the whole thing. You can see it's definitely Mickey shaped though. Now in the kitchen, we do have a full kitchen, of course, with a full-size fridge and freezer, a stove and oven, microwave, toaster, full-size coffee maker, sink, and dishwasher. Tons and tons of counter space in here, which is great. And of course, these cabinets are fully stocked. We have glassware and plates and bowls and pots and pans, silverware, everything you can need to cook here in this villa. And then in this closet over here, you'll find your washer and your dryer. Of course, like all the one bedroom and larger villas, you've got a full-size washer and dryer here in the room. We have the dining room right here next to the kitchen. There are only 6 chairs at the table, but it's a good sized table. I think you could probably pull up the other 2 chairs that are sitting here at the bar if you'd like, and have 8 people at the table. If you're looking for more chairs so everyone can have a seat, they do have those in the closet that we'll see in just a minute. We've got a little buffet table over there, as well as a pretty painting of the creek out the back of the resort. You can see the little pier there that we can find here on the resort property. And then we do have a balcony off of this room as well. So if we go out these double doors over here, this is our balcony for the living room and dining room together. You can see it's a much larger balcony. On the balcony, we have 4 rocking chairs, 2 on each side, as well as 2 tables and benches out there. So lots of space to sit and enjoy the beautiful weather out here on the island. And we're gonna head upstairs and check out both of the bedrooms up there. But before we go, we're gonna stop and take a look at this closet right over here. In this closet, you're going to find those chairs that I mentioned earlier. If you need extra chairs in the dining room, you also have a vacuum as well as a mop in there, your iron and ironing board, and some laundry baskets, and of course a closet rod as well. We've got a beautiful picture of the pier here heading up the stairs. We did look through this one, didn't find any hidden Mickeys there, but we did try. And we have some wildlife as we head up the stairs further. On the right is going to be our first of the 2 bedrooms up here. We do have 2 queen size beds in here with the lights up above the bed that are using that driftwood. That's really cool. We love the aesthetic of the light fixtures here. Got a beautiful picture of a live oak tree there that we searched for some hidden Mickeys, found a few that might be possibly Mickey shaped, but I think it's more of just a product of the way the painting was created. We do have a small nightstand here in between the beds as well, but again, no USB outlets or wall outlets in there. There are no balconies upstairs, so we just have windows overlooking the courtyard instead of the balcony. We do have a small chair in the corner, as well as our dresser, Blu-ray player, and little TV there. There is an en-suite bathroom in this room. It's right over here. We've got a bench with a coat rack as well as a closet too. Our closet here is where you just have some hangers and a closet rod. You also have a vacuum in here and a small luggage rack down there. And then the bathroom over here on the right does have a door that separates it from the room. You can see we have another one of those pedestal sinks and the small shelf up above it, the mirror and the light. We do have a cabinet over here above the toilet as well. This is where you'll find your tissues for the room as well as your hair dryer and some extra toilet paper. And then the shower and tub combo over here, just the single fixed shower head there in the tub. And we did look through the curtain here and we're able to find just a couple hidden Mickeys. There's one way over here and there's a couple more down on this side. So take a minute to look through the curtain. There's 3 or 4 of them in there that are just really fun to look for. And then we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here as well. And we'll head over and check out the 3rd bedroom, which is right across the hall here. And this room also has 2 queen size beds. You can see it's very, very similar to the room we were just in. The same light fixtures up above the bed. They also have a nightstand in here, again with no outlets or USBs built into it. We've got a photograph there of the pier with a little canoe. And then on the other side of the room, we have those windows. Again, no balconies up here. We have a chair as well as a dresser with a Blu-ray player and a TV. And then we have a little picture here on the wall that again we thought might have some hidden details in it, but it seems like it's just a bunch of fishing stuff. We didn't see anything in there that was Disney or Mickey related unless we're just missing it. And then the bathroom down here, of course, is separated off from the rest of the room with a door as well. We've got a closet on the left where you'll find, again, clothes hangers and a shelf as well as that luggage rack down on the floor. We have a small bench over here in the corner with another coat rack, and then the bathroom is very, very similar to the other one with the pedestal sink and the shelf, the mirror there, and the cabinet that has your tissues and extra toilet paper in it. And then the tub, exact same shower curtain in here and the same shower head. And once again, that refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So these rooms are basically the exact same rooms upstairs, just some slight differences with the size. Now we'll head downstairs and get a look at the beds pulled out so you can get a feel for the size and the space down there. And you can see Alyssa has pulled out both of the beds, the queen size bed in the couch and the twin size bed in the chair. And it does fill up the living room quite a bit when you pull those out. Of course, you can move furniture around a little bit more here in the Grand Villa because you've got a lot of space. So you could move the trunk or you could move the ottoman, things like that. But just to give you an idea, if you are using all the bedding here, there is a little bit less space to get around here in the living room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 3-bedroom Grand Villa here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and leave any questions you have in the comment section. And while you're down there, make sure you hit the big red subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and get notified whenever we post new videos.
For more information about the Walt Disney World resorts around the world, head to areas.com. We've got lots of fun facts there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.